Hello everyone, welcome to TechSavvy. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the directories or files, copying them and moving them using terminal. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So firstly we'll start with directories. So here we can create a directories with a command called mkdir, means make directory. So let me show you that. So before going to creating a directory, let me show you what are the files available within this home directory using ls command. Look here, we can see there are two different files, one is folder and one is file. So now I'm going to create a directory with a name called test. And let me show you. See, it is created now, right? Perfect. So similarly, we can create multiple folders at once with the same command. But with GUI, it's not possible. We can create single directory at once. And here I'm going to give the same name like test, just to see whether will it create or not. Look. The first three folders are created, but when it comes to test directory, it throws an error because with the same name the directory is already available. We previously created that, and let me check whether it is created or not. The rest of the folders, see, these are created, right? Now we'll see similarly how you can create a file. So using touch command we can create a files like a.md, and also we can create multiple files at once similar to the directories a.md and c.md. Now let me show you the files. Yes, these three files are created, right? Now we'll see how you can move or copy these files to this test directory. Okay, first let me show you. I'll copy a.md file to test directory. Now we'll check whether it is actually copied to test directory or not. cd test and ls. Look, it is copied. Perfect. And we'll see now how you can move or copy multiple files to a folder. That will also I'll show you. cp and then what are the files you want to copy. In my case it is b.md and c.md. To the destination folder we need to give here, to where test directory, and again we'll check. Look, it is copied, right? That's perfect. So similarly you can move directories or files from one location to another location. Now I'll move these a.md, b.md and c.md to test1. Now before going to move that, let me show you what are the files within this test1 directory. Test1, nothing, right? Or else we can move to that directory and we can check. See, there is nothing in this directory. Now again I'm going to back to the home directory and we'll move the a.md, b. and c.md files to test1 directory. For that we'll use a command called mv a.md, b. and c. to test1 directory. Now we'll go to the test1 directory and we'll see these are moved. So these are moved, right? So these files are not supposed to be in the home directory. Let me check that as well. Look, these files are disappeared because it is moved from home directory to test1 directory. And the one more advantage with the terminal is you need not to be in the files or directories locations which you want to move. Let me show you that as well. So right now I'm in home directory. Now I'll move test1 files to test2 directories. So before going to do that, we'll check what are the files or directories available in test2 directory. ls and test2 directory. So there is nothing. Clear. Now we'll move, and here you need to specify the path very clearly. So now my a.md files are available in test or test1 directory. Now I want to move the test1 directory files to test2. test1 / and if you hit the tab twice, it will suggest you what are the files available in the test1 directory. In my case it is a.md and b.md. c.md to test2. Now we'll check whether it is actually moved or not. Look, it is moved and it is not there in test1. Perfect. So see, this is the main advantage. In GUI you have to go to this files location and you need to copy or cut the file, and then you need to go to the destination folder and you need to paste. And the one more advantage thing is, let's imagine if you want to copy one specific file from test1 and another specific file from test directory. So both are two different directories you can copy at once. So this is the main advantage with the terminal. So in my next video I'll be back with some other interesting commands. So until, stay tuned and please do subscribe to my channel.